On May 3, 2024, police responded to a residence after receiving a call from a neighbor stating that a man was breaking in through the side door of their neighbor's house. Officers arrived to find two guys trying to break into a side door.
What y'all doing?
Trying to open our door. We live here. Aubrey and everybody, their moms, they just left out. We literally got her on the phone.
You have ID on you?
I don't have my ID, man. Everything's in the house.
Okay, hold on. I'm just trying to figure out who you are, man.
I have mine.
We're getting a call with people trying to break into the house.
The name game begins.
What's your first name, man?
Adam Hirschberger. Oops.
Watch yourself. Adam.
Yes, ma'am.
Middle name?
Don't have one.
Spell your last name.
Hirschberger. H-E-R-S.
S-H.
Sorry.
My guy is spelling his own last name like he's trying to guess the password to his own identity. This will become a theme.
H-E-R-S. Yeah, why are you doing that? You're confusing me. I thought you were Hirschberger. H-E-R-S-B-E-R-G. No H. Not a second H.
H-E-R-S-B-E-R-G.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your birthday?
11/15/95.
95. And you live here?
I'm just playing. 85.
85.
See if you're going to catch that one.
I don't know your birthday, dog.
Nothing says, "I'm being totally honest, officer," like playing pop quiz with your own birth date. Bold strategy.
You messed me up with them.
That's
what did you say, Hirschberger?
Hirschberger.
That's pretty hard.
That's right.
So what's happening?
Are you guys twins?
Who? Me and this guy?
We went to elementary school.
We went to elementary school.
I mean, his picture looks like your face.
I know.
That's weird.
Except he's got to be in a lazy eye.
Yeah, that's when I remember.
Don't make fun of his lazy eye, man.
Because they're fucking a lot.
Whose truck is that?
That's our rental.
It's yours?
No, it's not mine. It's
But it's your rental?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
It belongs to this company.
That's why whoever called, I don't even know why, because I know them. It's probably Hirsch's. She's that shit crazy though.
It's Hirschberg, right?
Hirschberger.
H-E-R-S-B-E-R-G-E-R? No? Okay. Is it burger?
We've been out here in the sun. I gave the other officer mine.
No, I got it.
She's the owner of the house.
That's fine. Spell your last name one more time for me.
H-E-R-S-B-E-R-G.
Hirschberg.
Hirschberg.
Okay.
It's Berg. You say Burger. It used to have an A on it, but they don't anymore. I'm from up in North Carolina, so.
I got you. I just want to make sure I got it.
I'm not doing that. I can't say nothing else about that. But
No, I got you.
They do the Amish.
Hey, babe. So the police are here.
Do you have a
Can you tell?
Do you have a job
Do I have a job?
down here? You don't have any
They
job?
don't give me nothing. I can't get nothing. They won't. That's how the problem was. My uncle didn't explain that.
So she can talk to this officer.
Let me talk to her real quick and then we'll continue that.
Officer calls Aubrey, the actual homeowner.
My name's Aubrey, the homeowner.
Oh, hi, Aubrey. So we got a call. I don't know who called, but somebody called and said that somebody was breaking into your house. And I have Adam and Steven here, and I guess they're locked out of the house. Adam, where are you going?
Water?
Okay. And that I guess they're locked out of the house, and they're trying to bust through the side door to get back in.
Yeah, they locked the keys in the house.
Okay, so they have permission to be here.
They do.
So they do live here. Crisis averted.
That felt nice.
Do it again.
Sorry, you just sprayed me with the hose.
I don't know why we didn't think of that.
Sorry, that one got you. My bad. I'm so sorry.
Now he really sprayed me with the hose.
Pro tip. When police are verifying your identity, maybe don't spray them with water.
We got a call from somebody, so.
Yeah, no, they're definitely allowed to be there, and they're allowed to do whatever they gotta do to close the but to get in the house.
And your mom lives here too?
Yeah, she does. She's a little crazy, but yeah.
Is she supposed to be? Is there a way you could reach her and see where she's at? Maybe they don't have to break the door.
Yeah, she said she didn't have a key, so she left the door unlocked. She couldn't find her key. I don't know, but so they'll probably have to do whatever they have to do. She said that she would be there in like 45 minutes. I told her to come sooner. I can't get in touch with her like by calling her anymore. I've just been texting her, so I don't know. But yeah, they're cool. They can do whatever they gotta do.
Okay. All right. I just want to check with you, make sure.
The lock's 12
Okay,
bucks.
thank you.
All right. Thanks.
It'll take 5 minutes.
Bye.
Right back.
Another question.
Yes.
Since I have you guys here, How can I get in the state of Florida? How can I get it?
Get what?
A social ID, anything.
Okay, so explain to me why you don't.
So COVID.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. No,
So
you're good.
COVID hit
Okay, where were you born?
in Greensville.
North Carolina.
Yes, but I was.
Okay,
You know, we're
that's where we start.
Crazy.
So you were born into an Amish community?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Amish don't believe in social securities?
They don't get them. Some, if they do, if they go out of town, they do. I don't know anybody that has one. So when we came down here, we started migrating down. So we went down, boom, we went to Asheville first. And my uncle was like, we got to change. So he was like, he's the head of the operation. He's a ding dong.
Okay. hold
Anyway,
on.
so
you were born into an Amish community with your
Yeah.
parents?
But we do midwives, basically. What
Okay.
you guys call now.
Yeah. Okay. So you're born in an Amish community. You left the Amish community, and you've never received a social security number ever.
They don't give us some. They don't.
You never went and applied for one?
You tried, but I don't know. I don't.
You
know
have
how
your
to do
birth
it.
certificate?
I don't have one. I don't have mine.
Is it stitched in the side of
Officer is now getting the full Breaking Amish treatment, unauthorized edition. To be fair, if you're going to make something up, I'm Amish is certainly creative.
the tree?
It's probably. I mean, you know, they have. Come here.
On this day, at this time, Adam was born. So you have to go to the Social Security office, and they're going to have to explain to you how to apply for it. I mean,
That'd be like a
gotta
U.S.
go.
citizenship?
I gotta go all the way down to do that. To go down to what is it called? What is it called?
the Social Security office.
To do that. Was that the answer?
So he's talking to somebody.
Oh.
So don't go anywhere. Where are you going? Okay.
So I've been trying to get that done, figured out. Well, while we're doing this, can I get back to trying to do this? You're right here, anyways.
Yeah, I'll talk to you while you're doing it.
Right.
Just don't throw anything at me. So, what I think so you don't have a birth certificate.
No, well, I mean, I don't. I might.
Yes.
So my family. So most of them is like my uncle. That's all I have left. My uncle. My uncle he just passed away.
Okay.
He has cancer,
Sorry to hear that.
and so now.
Not a good idea to face towards the wall.
Yeah, I remember when I
Yeah,
dropped
I know, my
that.
bad. I'm sorry. You know what? I'm not even gonna do that. Didn't he say that? I'm sorry. Anyways,
Try a screwdriver.
no, I don't know that. What is that? Oh, no, I'm saying. Shit, you talking about
Me?
weapons and shit? I ain't talking about. I'm not doing all that.
Okay. So
I get nervous when I sit here.
You're
I'm
right,
like
just sit down.
on site.
so just what is your full name? What was the name you were born with?
Adam.
Huh?
Adam.
That's your full name?
Yes. But it's not, so it sounds like it has an A, right?
No. Okay. Yes. You
The Adam
don't have
on
any
the
other
back
names.
end. No, how would you have any other names?
People have other names.
How?
Pain in the ass.
Me too.
Aren't you built with one name? So how do you get another name?
I'm just asking.
Well, if that's supposed to do Social Security, I need to do it. I can't get nothing. I haven't been able to get help. They won't even, I can't even get the food stamps, they say.
Why?
Nothing. Because I'm not, they don't have none of that.
How long have you been down here?
And, oh, not too long. I ain't been down here too long.
Like a month? 2
No,
months?
no, like a year and a half.
You've been down here a year and a half. You've never worked?
If I find somebody hustling or...
Have you ever been arrested in the state of Florida?
No,
No? Never been in an accident?
no,
Nothing?
no. I don't, where do I go? I don't do nothing.
I'm just asking.
Do too much.
Red flags start waving. No middle name. Checks out for Amish. No documentation whatsoever. Uncle just died. Never been arrested in Florida. Can't spell his own name consistently. Birthday keeps changing. This story has more holes than a screen door on a submarine.
I'm just asking.
Do too much. My uncle
I'm just trying
died.
to confirm who you are.
Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. No, for my uncle when he just died. Wasn't too long ago.
Do you have any family that lives around here?
I don't have family
Okay.
down here. I don't have family like that.
So,
I've been down
so
here
about
with
a
my
year
uncle.
ago, you moved down here from North Carolina.
Well, we were already in South Carolina. We
Okay.
went from North Carolina, that's what I was trying to tell you. And then we went down to South Carolina, and then we go down to my uncle. He has a guy that he used to work with to come down here to do this.
Okay.
And that's what we did. We came down here and we're supposed to work with this guy. But he's like, I don't know, he treated us like the darker skinned people.
Okay.
So it was kind of sucky. But anyways,
Yeah, if I was gonna break in the house.
my uncle passing away after when he died, I was like, that's all we're trying to do is I'm trying to get back up to home now. That's all I'm trying to. And I had
You've never received an ID or any kind of identification through the state of Florida ever?
No,
Not even North Carolina
no,
or South Carolina? I'm just asking. I gotta ask.
They don't issue. They don't have that. That's what we don't have. We don't have none of that. That's what I'm saying. My uncle kind of like jumped us off a little too. I was ready to go. I was like, not for me. But
How long ago did you get out?
of there,
Amish, yes.
about you call it Amish. You don't get out of Amish. But
Yeah, you know what you mean.
anyways,
Leaving the Amish.
anyways,
TV show, you know. There's a TV show about people leaving the Amish community.
nah.
Oh wait, you don't watch TV, so you wouldn't know.
Stop
Officer bringing the sass. Respect.
it.
Continue.
Stop. See?
Continue.
You take jokes down.
No, I'm serious. There is a TV show. There's people that leave the Amish community, and they film them and see how well they do.
And what are they doing?
They're going back home because they can't do it.
No. Shut up.
Okay, so how long ago
My friend.
did you leave your community to venture out somewhere else?
16 months. No, a little more than that. Almost 2 years now. Almost. Because from leaving out from Greensville. About 2 years.
And you don't have a middle name? No? Okay. Have you ever been in trouble in the state of Florida?
No, man.
No? Never?
No, man.
No tickets?
I don't drive.
Well, who's driving that?
My buddy.
He ain't driving that?
Not this one.
Oh.
The other one. He left, so that's why we're waiting.
Why? Just so for my curiosity, what is it against the Amish community having social security numbers? Like, what's the reason? They just don't find themselves as people?
No, they don't. It's not that. They don't. So if you're there, so it wasn't my little cousin was born or something like that. They did the same thing. They never even go down to. So they have like the town doctor. We had a doctor that comes into town. Mm-hmm. He'll come in. He'd come in. That's what he. But you don't ever receive anything. You don't get nothing.
He just
So what do
delivers
you?
a baby and says here.
Well, I guess I don't know. We don't go in there. So if they. What? For what?
Suddenly, Adam bolts. And here we go. Nothing says I was being totally honest about everything, like spontaneously deciding to practice your 40-yard dash.
Rocket foot pursuit.
Adam runs through bushes, falling every 5 seconds. It's like a baby gazelle learning how to walk. The officers are not impressed with his athletic performance. Neither are we. Multiple taser deployments.
Get on your stomach.
What's wrong with you, Adam?
What are you doing?
Your hands right now.
For what?
You gotta get it again.
You're gonna get it again.
I can't.
Your hands.
Let go. I can't. Please stop.
On your stomach now.
Your stomach right now. You gotta get it again.
Holy shit.
Ridiculous.
Why are you guys doing this?
You want it again?
No.
Let's stop.
Why are you guys doing this?
Cause you ran.
You scared me.
Stupid.
But my arm doesn't bend like that.
Yes, it does.
You want it again?
No, please don't. I'm trying not to breathe.
Stop.
I'm trying not to breathe it dirty. Please don't.
I'm trying to help you. Relax for a second.
I can't.
Move again. I'm gonna tase you again.
I'm sorry.
Don't move your hand. Got it?
Okay. We're just inhaling dirt.
What do you want to be honest about? Your name?
You guys already know who it is.
Adam, wait on. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. All right, look. Seriously. They hit me. So you guys hit me with a charge.
Shocking. Nobody saw that coming. Not a single soul.
You guys did. Well, technically, it's not you guys, but
Yeah, go ahead.
Titusville hit me with a charge. I never had a gun, dude.
Okay.
I never had a fucking gun, and they hit me with a gun charge.
Okay. Well, now you get another charge.
But now you get 2 more charges plus all the warrants that you have out for you.
I know. The warrants in the
When you could have just been
I'm
honest.
listen, honestly, I'm about to get a life sentence, man, for something I didn't even do. They're trying to habitualize me, violent offender.
Okay.
What do you think how do you think I'm supposed to react to y'all?
Just been honest.
The real story. Adam has warrants, including a gun charge he claims he didn't commit. He's afraid of getting life as a habitual offender. That's why he lied. That's why he ran.
I'm not trying to do nothing.
Cooperatively, they take that into consideration, not you running across
No,
the
they
street.
don't.
Yes, they do.
Man, look at my arrest record. Look at it. I have not one fucking resisting arrest.
You got gloves on you?
I don't have not one resisting arrest. Except this one. Hey, please,
And-
that's really gonna give me a life sentence. Like, I'm for real, please.
No, that's what you're getting. Resisting
Burglary
times
over
2.
here.
No, there's no burglary. You got me.
He lives here.
He does live here?
I was on the phone with Audrey.
Okay, as long as you confirm that.
No, I was on the phone with her. So
Please don't do that. If I get a resisting arrest, man,
you just ran. That's
I know I
resisting.
did. I am not. I apologize, y'all. I swear to God, I apologize. That's
That-
on everything I love. I'm scared, bro. I'm gonna get a life sentence for some bullshit. For some bullshit. And I got 4 arrests with not one fucking resisting arrest. 4 of them. 4 different kids, not one resisting arrest. The police, all they did was lie on me.
Coco. Hello.
You ready to go to the hospital, man?
Nah, I just want these things snatched the out. Let's go.
Yeah, that's not how that works.
Well, you gotta go to the hospital too.
Can I rent? Okay, is everybody getting spray me off? At least untag that thing and spray me some.
Hang on to this.
I got a board short.
Hold on a second. Hold on, man.
I need to take a picture of these
You're
real
gonna
quick.
go to the hospital. Okay. If you get rude, I'm gonna put you so deep in the K-hole.
I'm not trying.
Okay. Well, then let's piece, because this is.
I'm trying to.
I don't do this.
Okay.
I do sedation, which is way different. Okay. So take a deep breath.
Yeah, you made me run, dog.
So-
I don't like running.
Fuck, you can tell either can I.
You're not good at running. I can tell that.
That's why I'm
You kept he fell every 5 seconds.
Oh, you know why I did. I was like,
every single bush, he was like, dunk, dunk, dunk.
I'm like, dude, I was like,
It's like a baby gazelle learning how to walk. You can punch me in the face. You
I ain't
can
gonna
fight.
fight you.
No, I'm just saying, like, you could punch me in the face. You could fight with me.
I hate lying too, but that ain't got me nowhere. Telling the truth, it hasn't. No, it hasn't.
Girl made crime, fine.
It hasn't. So I apologize, but no, it hasn't.
I mean, I don't like that either. But the number one thing I do not like is
I don't
when
like
people
liars either.
just
That shit.
lie for no reason.
I'm not lying for a reason. You think I'm only lying to you for a reason? You think I did that purposely just for?
You made up a whole ass Amish story,
It was
dog.
already made up, bro, because I got a life sentence for some shit I didn't do. That's what I'm getting mad at. That's what I'm gonna have a problem with.
In Adam's defense, the Amish story was elaborate and committed. Unfortunately, commitment to a lie doesn't make it truth.
I have a problem with. I'm getting a life sentence for something I didn't do.
Where's the life sentence out
You'll
of?
see. Just pay attention. Watch. There ain't nothing I can do about it because the whole county lied
Okay,
on me.
all right, all right.
The pieces are from Seminole County.
Where's the from Seminole County?
Yes. Dude, I'm not even nowhere near what the fuck they tried to get me on.
Real quick, can you tell me your first and last name?
First name's Adam.
Adam, last name's Hirschberger.
No, it's not. Last name's Odd.
Hirschberg.
What's your real birthday?
11/15/85.
No, it's not. Try it again.
With
The
providing a
charges:
false ID to police and
providing
obstructing an
false
officer
ID to
times
police.
3.
Obstructing an officer 3 times. Guilty on false ID and 1 obstruction count. 15 days in jail. $743 in fees. Lessons learned. If you're locked out, maybe call a locksmith instead of breaking in. Know your own birthday. Pick a name spelling and stick with it.